Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naveen from UiBrains Technologies, and today I came with a new video and a new example on React.js. So this is actually called as a contact manager application. So here you can create a new contact and you can edit the contact, you can view the contact, you can delete the contact. Like you can completely maintain all of your contacts in this application. Okay, so this application will help you to maintain all your contacts. Okay, it can be a number of contacts. It's keep storing of it and you can maintain them. It's like you can change the mobile number, you can change the picture, and you can delete the contact if you don't want, and also you can categorize it. Okay, there are some group option is there, if the contact is of colleague or a contact of a office or your family or friends or social media friend, like that. Okay, so there are even categorizes like that. Okay, so let's have a look about this application and then we're gonna start developing of it. Okay, so when you see this is the outline, guys. Um, so here I'll be using Bootstrap as a front end. Okay, so because last video we understand about Bootstrap 5 crash course, right? The same Bootstrap 5 I'm using here as a front end with React.js. Okay, and here I'm using React.js with the JavaScript language. Okay, so this is the first page, and if you want to create a new contact, you can just click on a new button. Okay, here is a new button, and you want to search for anybody. This is the search button, and then all contacts will display like this. So we already have four contacts. You want to create a new contact, just click on new button, and I say something called Rajan. One second, do we have Rajan already? I think it's not there. Yeah, so I'll say Rajan and the photo URL. So generally photo URL, it's simple. You just need to get your Facebook profile or anything. Okay, some URL of your photo and you can upload. So let me just take copy image address and I'll paste it, and okay, and his some mobile number and then his email rajan@gmail.com and company HCL technology, something like that. And what is his title? Some software engineer. And which group you wanted to him? He is actually colleague. Okay, so he's a colleague or friend or family. You can categorize like that. He's a colleague and click on create. So as soon as you click on create, see the contact has been added with the photo which you have uploaded. Okay, Rajan and all this. So you want to see this Rajan's data. There are three options here: view, edit, and delete. So if you want to view, because here in this main homepage, you can see only few details like name, email, and mobile number. But if you want to see the complete details, like his company and full details, like who is that relationship and all, just click on a view. So if I click on view, you can also see the nice spinner. Okay, and his photo and his details like name, mobile number, company, and group is colleague. Okay, and this is like you can view his contact and click on back button, so it's back to this page again. And if you want to update this Rajan's mobile number, you can just click on a edit one. If I click on edit, so this is the edit contact or update contact. So here you can change the picture also. For example, you want to change the Rajan's picture to something else. You can choose it from online. For example, this one I want to change. So I can copy the address, then I can simply paste it here. So image has been changed. So let's change this number, some 908918 something something like that. Okay, and then click on a update. So it's been updated. You can see Rajan's picture has changed and mobile number also has changed. Okay, this is called update. And also you can delete a contact. Okay, if you don't want this contact anymore, you can delete as well. So as soon as I click on delete, that contact has been gone. Okay, so this is, it means you can create a contact, you can view the contact, you can update the contact, and you can also delete the contact. You can completely maintain. And also, as of now, we have just four contacts here, and in future you'll be having more number of contacts. And for those contacts, you want to have a search. So how you can make a search is we have made a search box. So for this, I'll say some A D like this. See, if I say AD, so Brad is having AD, and this guy also have a AD. we got it. Okay, so A D E I say. So Vladin has come here. Okay, if I delete, you get everybody. Okay, so B R is a Brad, N A is my name. Okay, like that. So you can even have a search. So this is a simple application which is having complete backend also. We'll be using JSON server as a backend and where we'll maintain data. Okay, so here you will learn almost every concept like how to make the routing and how to make a search. And here we'll be using the React functional components and front end is Bootstrap we use. Okay, and also how to handle the form data and how to redirect between the pages. Okay, and how to maintain the application state and everything. Okay, so we're gonna start these things now. Okay, so let's start the actual setup and then we'll start one by one. Okay, so thank you so much.